What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. Going to give you a quick wrap up of last week, the end of the week and the weekend sales. It's going to be week number 4 for January 2018 as we close out the month. This week will be the 1st of February, so we'll start fresh and new there. But I just want to show you guys some of the pretty awesome items. We sold some really good stuff. You know, from about the 25th through now, which is the 29th, almost the 30th, last 2 days here in January. So I'm going to show you those, and then we'll move on the end of this week and the weekend with the beginning of week number 1 from February. Also, I want to let you guys know I'm going to do a couple little quick videos for some other YouTubers and the VIP group, which has been amazing. We had an awesome opening month here of 2018. If you didn't get to join the VIP group, make sure you do. It's an amazing group of people, an amazing group, and we are sharing some awesome selling tips, strategies, bolos, everything you can imagine in the group. Plus, you get one-on-one coaching with me as a part of being a member of it. And we do group videos, which we just did one tonight, and we stumbled upon some secrets to titles and keywords, which if you're part of the group and you've been in there, you would know it. Otherwise, you're not. We'll put a video out on it, you know, a few weeks from now, or, you know, somebody in the group, one of our other YouTubers is going to maybe make a video about it. But in the meantime, if you had been a member, you'd have it right now and possibly could help you with some of your searches and titles and whatnot. But really, the people in there are amazing. They help each other. There's no trolling, there's no disrespect, there's just a great group of people trying to help each other get their sales up, and it's really, really worth the pennies, I call it pennies, to be a part of it with us. It's $15 a month. Those of you that asked and emailed, thank you. If you want to be a part of it, please just let me know, rockstarflipper@gmail.com. Anybody who joins up before the end of the month, I'm going to do the special $99 for the whole rest of 2018, so you can take advantage of that if you do get a hold of me before the end of the month. So hopefully see a bunch of you and your bright new faces in the group. And in the meantime, let's take a look at my screen and some of the eBay sales as we close out the first month of 2018. All right, here we go, the eBay sold page, and this is going to be including paid and shipped items and items that are still awaiting shipment for tomorrow. We had some of these SanDisk. These are 128 gig SD cards. They're currently at $29.25. We sold 2 of them. We sold one at $29.25, but before that, I had them priced up at like $39, and I sold one full price. But then they sat for a long time, so I put them on sale, and they're still sitting. So I think the 39 was just a luck. I don't know if I'm going to sell any of these, the rest of them at $29.99, but we'll see. Second one is medium Kuba Vera shirt. I actually sold 2 of these. I sold this one for $20. I took a best offer of $20. I paid $2.50 for it. That's $17.50 after fees and shipping. It's about 12 bucks in profit. And the second one was, this one sold for a best offer of, or the first one was for $18, so I made about 10 on that one. This one we took a best offer of $20 and made about $12 on this one. So made about $20 to $22 on the both of them. Pretty good for a $5 investment. This one was about $3 and we sold it for $19. So that would have been $16 less fees and shipping, about $10 to $11. Under Armour shirt, we paid $3 for this, sold it for $14. We took a best offer, so it's $11 less fees and shipping, about $7, $6 to $7 in profit. Jessica Simpson jeans, these would have been $3. We took a best offer of $16 on these, so that's $13 profit. They are priority, so we're immediately going to be down to $7 or almost $6, less the fees, about a $3 profit. Express jeans, these went first class. They were like 15 ounces. We sold them best offer of $12.50. We paid $3, so that's $9.50. Less fees and shipping, about $3 to $4 profit. My Little Pony, these are very old. They would have came out of the bins for like 50 cents or $1. I took a best offer of $8.50 on these, so figuring $1, $7.50 less fees and shipping. We made about $3 on these. They've just been laying around forever. The neckties, tonight's sale. Robert Talbot, this was a $1 tie. We sold for a best offer of $10, leaving us $9, less fees and shipping, about a $5 profit, maybe $4. Save the Children, sold full price $9. We paid 50 cents for this one, so $8.50, less fees and shipping, about $3 to $4. The Joseph A. Bank, sold full price $8.25. Again, this one was probably out of the bins for about 10 cents. Even a quarter left us $8 profit. Less fees and shipping leaves us about $3 to $4. And finally, the J. Garcia tie, one of Terry's ties. Thank you, Terry. We sold this one full price $14.25 after the sale. You know, assuming we got $1 into it, $13.25, less the shipping on it, about almost $3. So that leaves us what, $10.50, and then less the fees, about an $8 profit. So not too bad on one of the ties. Love selling these ties. That was about 4 ties that we paid somewhere around like $3 for all of them, and made about 25 to 30 in profit off the 3 of them. So pretty good day on those. So that's a little wrap up of the last few days. That one actually sold yesterday. I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks so much, and make sure you stay tuned for all the great videos that are going to come out with all these secrets. If you want to have access to all that information, just join the VIP group. Make sure you email me, rockstarflipper@gmail.com. Message me on Facebook, message me on Instagram, wherever you want to message me that's convenient, and I will do the rest for you. Thanks so much taking the time to watch. Check out the description box below for all my links, the eBay store, my Amazon affiliate links. Anything you buy from Amazon, please use one of those links to get to Amazon first, whether it's one of my items, one of those items, or one of anybody else's items. Those help me no matter how you get to, or no matter what you buy on Amazon, it's how you get to it. Please use those links to go there. Same thing for eBay. I really appreciate it. Have a wonderful night, and I'll see you next time.